Where are my standard 7 students? Oh, they are here. And what is this? What is this? Seasons, winter, summer, monsoon, हेमंत, शिशिर, वसंत, ग्रीष्म, वर्षा, and Sharad. Hey, Nitiraj, what are you doing, my son?
We are learning Rutu Chakra.
Rutu Chakra, can you explain me?
Hello, good morning, Standard 7. Let you show the Rutu Chakra. We have 3 seasons and each season has 2 Rutus.
Oh, then let me go for winter.
Hi, I am Kulkul Winter. I have Hemant and Shishir.
Oh, and who are you?
Hello, I am Water Summer. I have a Vasanta and Grintam.
Grishma. Wow. And who are you?
Hi, I am Dharmar Monsoon. I have a Varsha and Sarad.
Oh, very nice of you. And what about Hemant?
Eat warm, energy-rich foods like bajri, rotla, ghee, laddu, nuts. Cover body with warm clothes.
Oh, Hemant is there in Kartak and Makshar. I will be careful about what you say. Thank you. What about Shishir?
Eat warm foods like khichdi, ghee, dates, nuts. Drink warm water.
Okay, thank you. What about Vasant?
Eat light food. Go out for light exercise or simple play.
Thank you. And Grishma, what about you?
Eat cooling foods like cucumber, mango, watermelon, sun indoor during sunlight.
Oh, thank you. I will be careful. Varsha, what about you?
Eat warm, fresh food. Did boil water only.
Okay, only boiled water I have to drink during Varsa. Thank you. Sharad, what about you?
Eat light fruits, green vegetables, fresh fruits, massage with warm oil.
Oh, very nice of you. Thank you. I understand all you 3 seasons and 6 rutus very well.
This is our Rutu Chakra. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand it. Thank you.
Welcome. Eat. Namaste, Jai Hind.
Thank you. Jai Hind. Good job, my dear students.